Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back again with another book announcement. I've been waiting for a while to bring this one to you, and I can now happily say that my latest compilation, the Slide Guitar Soloing Collection, is now available for purchase on Amazon. Check it out at the link in the description. Now I'm here to tell you a little bit more about that, what that book consists of, and why it might appeal to you and what you can learn from it. So it's a collection of my 3 Amazon best-selling books: Delta Blues Slide Guitar Soloing Techniques, and 100 Licks for Slide Guitar, or blues licks for slide guitar. And as you might be able to tell from each one of these focuses on a slightly different aspect of playing slide. So the first book, Delta Blues Slide Guitar, really looks into the nuance of that Delta blues style. I tried to be as authentic as possible, and I have to be completely honest, that's not where my real expertise and passion lies in the slide playing. So I really had to dig into the details of that one and get it as authentic as possible. We're looking at the originators of that particular style, the Robert Johnsons and the Sun Houses and the Booker Whites. Like, there's tons of guys that have that authentic Delta sound, and I really wanted to go out of my way to be able to understand that and teach that to you in a lot of detail. So you won't find any electric guitar on that. No, that's all acoustic with a microphone. A lot of fun, and I'm sure you'll enjoy that one. The second book is Slide Guitar Soloing Techniques. Now, as the name might suggest, the focus here is to teach you about some of the techniques that are required in order to play modern slide guitar. Now, I'm using my fingerstyle playing for most of that. I mention the pick, but largely fingerstyle, and I teach you various different tunings in that book. And as part of that, we learn about things like muting technique, lots of advanced techniques such as fretting behind the slide. But really, it's about intonation and phrasing, helping you improve your overall technique on slide guitar so you can play some more advanced ideas if you so choose. And then finally, the last book would be 100 Blues Licks for Slide Guitar. Now, the focus here is to take 20 of who I consider to be the best slide guitar players, or the most important slide guitar players, the most interesting slide guitar players in the history of the genre, and to really break down their styles for you, teach you about them, long biographies on each one of them, and giving you some of their seminal recordings and the like for you to go and check out so you can learn about the style, but also then breaking their style down with 5 different licks. And this one really runs the gamut. We go from those early blues, Delta blues guys, to some real modern guys like Derek Trucks and Joey Landreth, and there's tons of new guys in there actually. I'm a big fan of guys like Brett Garced and AJ Gent, who actually isn't really a slide guitar player. He's more of a lap steel player that plays standing lap steel stuff. But again, so much that you can learn from that. And that one really is a special book because I go into so much detail in trying to make each one of those licks authentic. You want that stuff to really, if I play a lick in the style of Sonny Landreth, I want you to really hear it and immediately go, yep, that sounds like Sonny Landreth. And then I do go into that level of detail in there. So lots of fun in that one, and I'm sure you will get something out of that. So that's really all I have to say about this. If you have any questions about this, please do let me know in that comment section below. I will just say, again, massive thanks to my friends over at Star Singer Slides. I use the Star Singer slide. You can see this one on the cover of the book, actually. This is my black crackle finish. They make these awesome ceramic slides. They're based in Glastonbury in the UK, and I would recommend you check them out. Again, link in the description. Thank you, Star Singer Slides, for your wonderful, wonderful slides. Check them out. They absolutely rock. So yeah, any questions, let me know in that comment section below. And I just have to say an extra special thank you to everybody that has supported me thus far with the books and all of the work I'm doing, because as you can see, my camera quality is improving significantly, and that's because I can take all of the money that I make from the online thing and I can reinvest it back into the content so I can bring you guys better content. So here's to making this year an even bigger and even better year than before. Let's keep bringing you more content, and yeah, as always, I'm here for you. Any questions, you let me know, reach out, and yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. So much love, and until next time, go practice some slide guitar. Laters.